The National Judicial Council of Hungary is the constitutional body charged with supervising the central administration of courts and safeguarding the independence of the Hungarian judiciary. The legislation governing its powers was adopted by the ruling majority in 2012, when a new court administration model was established. The adopted model was criticized by several international bodies, including the Venice Commission, Greco, and the Council of the European Union, because it concentrated overly wide court administration powers in the hands of political appointees, and was consciously designed to prevent the Council from effectively fulfilling its supervisory role. Despite this, the judges serving as elected members of the Council for the 2018 to 2024 term have sought to exercise meaningful oversight over the administration of the courts and fought courageously for reform. The Council started its mandate under extremely adverse conditions.
Egy nagyon súlyos támadássorozat indult az Országos Bírói Tanács, tehát egy demokratikusan választott bírói önigazgatási testület ellen. Tagokat presszionáltak arra, hogy mondjanak le. Nagyon sokan le is mondtak.
The law did not grant the Council legal personality and effective powers to fulfill its mandate. It lacked an autonomous budget, the ability to initiate legal disputes, sign contracts, and take on employees. The Council's institutional weakness, aggravated by financial and political pressure on members, quickly became one of the major rule of law issues in Hungary. Despite the difficult working conditions, the members of the Council prevented the institution from sliding into irrelevance and did their best to resist further erosion of the rule of law. The Council consistently called out abusive court management practices, breaches of the law, and undue interference with judges' careers. It issued official warnings to point out the abusive practice of repeatedly annulling, often without any proper justification, calls for applications for judicial leadership positions, the controversies in the distribution of discretionary bonuses, the secondment practice that infringed the principles of merit-based appointment and created a disguised probationary judicial status.
Országos Bírói Tanács 2018 tavaszán elkezdte komolyan venni a saját feladatát, és évekre visszamenőleg vizsgálta Hadó Tündinek, mint az Országos Bírósági Hivatal elnökének a bírói kinevezésekre, illetve a bírósági vezetői kinevezésekre vonatkozó gyakorlatát.
Nem tudunk más tenni, viszont ezt kötelesek vagyunk megtenni. Ugyanis ha hallgatnánk, akkor a törvénysértéseknek magunk is részeseivé válnánk onnantól kezdve. Ezek nem politikai kérdések, ez számunkra ugyanolyan kérdés volt, mint amikor a tárgyalóteremben kell döntenünk.
The concerns articulated by the Council with respect to the election of the new Chief Justice were confirmed by the European Commission and the UN Special Rapporteur on the independence of judges and lawyers. To guarantee that the public could stay informed of their work, the members of the Council set up a separate website after they were blocked from publishing important documents on the Hungarian judiciary's central website. They financed this website out of their own pockets for more than 3 years. Their judge peers showed solidarity by donating buttons. Parallel to their work in the Council, pressure on the members has increased. Several Council members have faced retaliatory measures such as cuts to their bonuses, exclusion from judicial working groups or training opportunities, and higher caseloads.
Néhány bírótársunk magáról és a kötelességeiről, a közösség iránti felelősségről megfeledkezve külföldre szalad és elárulja a hazánkat.
Government-aligned propaganda media have targeted and attempted to discredit members of the Council and other judges who publicly spoke against undue interferences with the judiciary. The Council refused to back down, ensuring that the independence of the judiciary remained on the agenda. Braving government-sponsored smear campaigns and other obstacles, they have raised awareness of abusive administrative practices which have undermined judicial independence for over a decade. By speaking out, the elected members of the Council have called attention to the serious rule of law deficiencies within the courts and contributed to the adoption of a judicial reform in 2023, which will strengthen checks and balances within the Hungarian judiciary. It is beyond doubt that the judicial reform, which became effective on the 1st of June 2023 in Hungary, is in large part the result of the committed work of the members of the Council.
Mi nem akartunk elvtelen meghajlást, különben nem a bírói függetlenséget szolgáljuk. Tudtuk, hogy a bíró nem csak az ítéletben nyilvánul meg, hanem akkor is, amikor szükség esetén kiáll a függetlenségéért. Ezt ugyanis nem lehet megúszni. A bírónak addig van függetlensége, amíg ki tud és ki is akar állni érte.